I can be with you. Oh, I like all my clothes designer. Hey YouTube, it's your boy Dommy. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Before anything guys, I need you to stop what you're doing and hit that notification bell right up there. Once you hit that bell, go ding. You are a part of the best squad ever, and our squad name is the Dommy Squad. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate you guys for supporting me and supporting my dreams. I love you so much, and I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. It is basically a sunset look. I added these colors, add a little bit of glitter. Oh, looks so delicious. I hope you guys recreate this look and tag me. What up guys? It's your boy Dommy. I'm back for another video. What up guys? It's your boy Dommy. I'm back for another video. And today, oh my god, I know you guys are sick and tired of color, but your boy is gonna go and do another colorful look. And you know your boy's favorite color is purple, and he did use it in the last video. But called 1985. It's this beautiful purple right here. If you guys seen my Halloween tutorial video from last year, I used this, and this color right here is beautiful. Beautiful, and I love the local packaging that the Urban Decay single palettes are, and I think this will run you up $20 a shadow. That's why I only got two. And then we're going to be using two more single eyeshadows, and it is the Shut the Fuck Up STFU, which is this beautiful yellow from NYX Cosmetics. And I'm going to use this as a transition shade on all over the eye. Then we're going to use Beyond Nude on the bottom lash line. And I love this shade of blue. It reminds me almost like a Tiffany blue, but it's not. It's so pretty. Like, oh, it blends in with that shell. Like, look at that. Now I'm going to jump into my command strips. As you guys know, you can get these on the low, but I got these from work. And I know you bitches been hating on my command strips, but it's okay. But it's okay. Oh, a little sponsoring ship Morphe. Even though I don't have a code yet, but hopefully that will change soon. My command strips, honey. Yes. Yes, command. Oh girl, and I know this hair is a mess, but you know what?
Like, do you see that in the back? I'm like flying, like it's just like boom! Like girl, when I say Dommy Squad, but I got like that big in the back. I'm looking like Dash from The Incredibles.
Now girl, I feel bad for my girl Azalea Banks. I feel real bad for her. She did come from Nicki, and she's like doing this like little war thing going on right now, but I love Azalea Banks. Like, she's a creative person, and you know what? I barely fuck with her. However, don't come for the queen. You cannot. And you will not come for the queen. Anywho, we're gonna dip right up into this yellow. But it's a little, like I said, it's like, oh, dusty, honey. Dusty. Can you guys comment down below where I can get a nice pigment yellow, like it just one swipe, and do not say Life is a Drag Color by Manny. I can be with you. Oh, I like all my clothes designer. And this is the Ice Slay collection. You guys know I use this in all my videos. I love this to go into my crease. And as you can tell guys from my last video, from the NYX Gay Pride video I did, these pigmentations are really pigment, but you have to build them up. Now we're gonna go back to the Shut the Fuck Up, and we're just gonna get it right up here and blend it on out. Looking really cute now. It's actually looking really blended and it actually looks so much better in person. Now we're going to cut our lid. I'm going to be using the Dream Lumi Touch Up Concealer. I really like this as a cut crisp because like I can literally like cut that eyelid right. It has this nice flat brush. Alright guys, so change of plan. What I think I'm really going to do is, because everyone loved that when I cut my eye like this, I'm just going to add a wing liner and then add some glitter in a corner. And then I'm going to use the purple and blue to smoke the bottom out to make it look like the sunset. Y22 brush, and I'm going to dip into this dirty palette, which is into this shade right here. I'm gonna actually do that all over the lid and then I'm going to cut it. This is almost gonna look like the sun is setting, which I think is really cool, and this is actually looking really good. I'm going to be taking my It's Cosmetics Superhero and I'm going to cut the wing out. Then we're going to be taking the NYX Crystal eyeliner right here, and I'm just going to follow where my little lid is, and then we're going to make it look like the sun is beautiful. Ooh, that is pretty. To be honest, I need to invest in some more of these just because it gives it that nice sparkle. So now I'm going to do the other eye and I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, now that I finished this eye right here, we're going to go into primer. You know guys, I love my Poreless Matte Rescue Primer right here from Benefits Cosmetics. This is a holy grail primer. I said it in every single video, but I have been trying to switch it up for you guys and try to do something different and really try different primers out there. Making sure your foundation lasts all day long. And I'm just using the Fenty Beauty foundation brush just so I can actually get this into my skin. I like using my hands too, but I've been noticing that with a brush I can really cover my whole face and use less product. And I love this eye look. It is so different for me, and I love that it looks like the sunset because I am a Pisces and I love the ocean. And if you're a Pisces, comment down below. Let me know that you're part of the Pisces squad. So now we're going to go in with the Fenty Beauty in the shade 220. So I'm going to mix in my 220 and the Maybelline 24 Hours Coverage Foundation. I like this because it's a little darker than this one. Even though this oxidized, this is a little dark and I love it. But we're going to start with the light first. I love this product. Look at this. There goes Dash. There goes Dash again. There goes Dash. And next we're going to go into concealer and contour. You guys know I love using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm currently running low on my Tarte, so I need to order some more of that. That's another story. And then we're going to put a little bit right there. Because of the fact that the foundation was very coverage, I don't have to add too much concealer. That's why I love the two together. Going to go in with the Sephora concealer that I'm using as my contour because it's a darker shade. It's very warm tone. That. And I'm gonna do my nose last because last time I ended up fucking it up. But I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm going to do my contour first. I mean my concealer first. And I'm gonna take what's left on my beauty blender and we're gonna blend it out with the beauty blender, the harsh line over on this side with the beauty blender that still has a little bit of that that concealer shade. I keep saying contour, but I don't know why. Basically, it just diffused into my skin. Now I can actually go in with a little bit of bronzer, but first I'm going to set my under eye because I am creasing a little bit and we don't want to crease. Holy Grail translucent powder. And now we're going to take this setting powder that's translucent. It's from Laura. Girl, this is my homegirl right here. Laura is that bitch. She's like, I got you. She said, I'm gonna cover your fine lines up, girl. I ain't gonna tell on you. She said, I'm not gonna tell on you. I love you. We're gonna go in with our contour, bronzer slash contour. Oh, there we go. Like, I think that is a nice beat. But we're going to go over with a little blush and bronzer and highlight. I'm just going to make sure I blend all that powder that's excess left out. I guess next we're going to go in with this blush from Sephora. I've used this before, but I don't know. Let's see if it looks good. I like it because it's an orange shade. You know, I like my blushes to be a little orange. That's not bad. That's not bad. It's a nice peachy. A little Morphe setting spray. We'll mist. Look at that. Oh, it gave me that like little nice bronzy glow I like from using the Sephora blush little palette right here. Next, we're going to go in with a little bit of highlighter, and I don't know what I'm going to use. I think I'm going to stick with my Amrezy. We're going to put this right above right there. Ooh, that is a nice wet look. Now we're going to go in with that purple and blue shade. We're going to go into 95 first, and then we're going to smoke it out with that blue. Elf brush right here, just because it's a nice pointy brush, like flat tip brush like that. But what should I go into as a lip? Should I do Anna Nicole Smith, which is a nice orange shade, or what? I am going to be taking the lip liner in the shade Soft Spoken. I love this. It's like a nudie type of lip liner. And then here goes Anna Nicole. It is a nice orange shade, nice warm shade. And I'm going to apply this right onto the lips just to go with this look. Guys, so the camera died, but I put on Anna Nicole from the Jeffree Star collection, and it is a beautiful orange shade. I think that it completes the look. It is a nice bold lip for this look, and I feel like this is very pretty. Like, it is nice sunset, the purple under the eye, like it's everything, but I feel like a little gloss. That looks a little bit better because I wanted to pop like my eyes do, and that is a beautiful, beautiful shimmer shade gloss that I put on my lips all the time. You can get this from your local Target or order it online. Oh, it's pretty simple, guys. All you have to use is 1, 2, 3, 4 shades. You really don't have to use 4. You can use the 2 and then smoke it out the bottom. I just want to add a little bit of color to this look, so I added the purple to it, and then this beautiful lip. Hope you guys enjoy. Look at that, look at that. Ooh, getting to the highlight. Ooh. Oh my God. Look who it is. It is Dommy, bitches. I love you guys.